Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and put likes. And see you now in this fresh, brand new videos with me. This is my new bra. It's transparent with a lace detail and flowers are here. Nicely with a little bow. I love it. It holds very well and in place everything. And these are the trousers, pajama trousers with paw print. I hope you like it and please enjoy this video and the music, but I'm listening at the moment too. Please enjoy. This is my brand new ring with lips on it. I love it, it's stunning. So I thought I'm going to wear it for this video for you. Thank you for watching and listening to this video, and don't forget to rewatch my other videos from the past. So please enjoy and see you in the next video. Love you.